Did you know the first vacuum cleaners were so massive they needed a horse-drawn carriage to move them? Welcome to a wild ride through the quirky history of an invention that changed how we clean forever. On this episode of Objectified, we are diving into the fascinating, sometimes bizarre, story of the vacuum cleaner. From clunky contraptions to sleek modern machines, this household staple has a history full of surprises. Let us explore its origins, its evolution, and why it became a cultural icon. Ready to suck up some knowledge? Let us get started. The vacuum cleaner's story begins in the late 19th century, when cleaning rugs was a back-breaking chore. People beat carpets with sticks or hauled them outside to shake off dust. In 1860, an American inventor named Daniel Hess patented a device called a carpet sweeper. It used bellows to create suction and had rotating brushes to collect dust. Sounds cool, right? It was not very effective. Fast forward to 1901, when British engineer Hubert Cecil Booth changed the game. Booth saw a demonstration of a cleaning machine that blew dust off surfaces, and he thought, why not suck it up instead? His first vacuum cleaner was a beast powered by a gas engine. It was so big it had to be pulled by horses and parked outside homes. Hoses were run through windows to clean inside. Wealthy households loved it, and Booth's invention even cleaned Westminster Abbey before King Edward VII's coronation in 1902. Booth's monster vacuum was a start, but it was not practical for everyday homes. Enter James Murray Spangler, an Ohio janitor with asthma. In 1907, Spangler rigged up a portable vacuum using a fan, a soapbox, and a pillowcase to trap dust. It worked so well, he patented it. His design caught the eye of William Henry Hoover, a leather goods manufacturer. Hoover bought the patent, and by 1908, the Hoover Company was born. Early Hoover vacuums were still bulky, but they were electric and small enough to use at home. By the 1920s, vacuums became more affordable, and brands like Electrolux and Kirby joined the race. Innovations kept coming. Disposable bags in the 1920s, upright models in the 1930s, and canister vacuums in the 1950s. The real game changer arrived in the 1990s with Dyson's bagless cyclone technology. Dyson's vacuums use centrifugal force to separate dust, making them more efficient and easier to maintain. Today, we have robot vacuums like Roomba, which clean while we sip coffee, and cordless stick vacuums that make cleaning almost fun. Almost, vacuum cleaners did more than clean floors. They shaped society. In the early 20th century, they were marketed as time savers for housewives, promising to free up time for leisure. Advertisements from the 1950s showed smiling women gliding vacuums across spotless homes, reinforcing gender roles of the era. Vacuums also became pop culture stars. The Hoover became a household name, and the term hoovering even entered the English language as a synonym for vacuuming. In movies and TV, vacuums often play comedic roles. Think of the chaos caused by a runaway vacuum in a sitcom. And who can forget the Roomba, which has inspired viral videos of cats riding robot vacuums like tiny chariots. Vacuum cleaners have also been symbols of progress. They represent humanity's quest to make life easier through technology, from horse-drawn giants to AI-powered bots. They are a reminder that even mundane chores can spark ingenuity. Let us sprinkle in some quirky tidbits. Did you know the first vacuum cleaners cost as much as a car? In 1908, a Hoover Model O was $60, equivalent to over $1,800 today. Here is another gem. During World War II, vacuum cleaner production halted as factories made war equipment. People had to make do with old machines or sweep by hand. Ever heard of vacuum cleaner racing? In some countries, enthusiasts modify vacuums for speed and race them on tracks. It is as wild as it sounds. And get this, NASA once used vacuum technology to collect moon dust during the Apollo missions. Talk about out-of-this-world cleaning. From horse-drawn behemoths to sleek robot helpers, the vacuum cleaner's journey is a testament to human creativity. It is not just about cleaning, it is about solving problems, embracing innovation, and even having a little fun along the way. The next time you vacuum your living room, take a moment to appreciate the quirky history behind this everyday hero. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of vacuum cleaners, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Objectified for more stories about the objects that shape our lives. Got a favorite vacuum cleaner story? Drop it in the comments below. We would love to hear it. Thanks for joining us on this whirlwind adventure. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating stories behind the things we use every day. See you in the next video.